Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to enable live wallpapers in iOS 17 and later on the iPhone or iPad. So first, what you want to do is you want to make sure when you take a photograph with the camera app that live is on here in the top corner, because these will then be able to turn into live wallpapers. So if you've taken live wallpapers, let's open up the Photos app, and here I've took some live photos of my dog eating a bone. So we can press this one here, and what you want to do, if it's live here, you can see this one's currently turned off, so you want to press it in the top left hand corner here and make sure your live is on. And with the live on, you want to press the share button in the bottom left hand corner, and then here you want to scroll down into this main menu and select Use as Wallpaper. This may take a few moments just to prepare it. The bigger the video, the longer this will take. As you can see in the bottom left hand corner, live is currently off. So you want to press this live button, and this will enable live wallpapers. And this is how it'll look. And then you want to simply press Add in the top right hand corner. You can get very creative with all different live photographs to make many different wallpapers. So once you press Add, set as pair, or you can customize the home screen. Set as pair, and then that will be your new live wallpaper. So that's how to enable live wallpapers in iOS 17. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.